Catch you, Spunky. Very good, Spunky. Now you can get whatever you want from Mama or Grandpa when you do that. Spunky. Do Spunky. Cass, look at me. Look at me. Spunky. Are you showing yourself the watch? Your mouth. Yeah, that's a different watch. That's Mommy's belly. Spunky. Very good. Just hanging out on the corner. You hanging out on the ledge? Spunky! Yay! Spunky! Spunky? No mouth, stop. No mouth, or you're gonna lose. No mouth, or I'm gonna take it away. Oh, you're gonna try to take that away, I see. Then we both lose.